What's going on, everyone? Sovereign Jarek 1. We're looking at a box of Legendary Duelist Soulburning Volcano. I actually got these pretty darn cheap today. For only about 40 bucks a piece, a box. So, let's see what we get today. Watch the yoke. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to knock the camera. Volcanic Emperor, first hollow. That's awesome. It's actually one card I'm looking for. I'm actually looking for Volcanics and the Salamangreat. So let me know what you guys in the comments, what you guys are after. Volcanic Boost. Fire, Jolt Counter. I think there's a new number in here. I don't remember for sure. Seventh Force. Great Weasel. Unbox a promoter. And Inferno. Alright, let's back at the first half. 79. Alright, on to the second half. Charge. I'm actually surprised to see these for only $39.99 at one of my local shops. But then again, I saw online that they were like $49.99 to $54.99. So I got a pretty good deal today. I think that's the new one. Yeah, number C79. That's definitely a card I'm after for my numbers collection. Ooh, Salamangreat Burst Griffin. That's awesome. New Synchro. Oh, Kaiser. Alright, sorry, Almirage. Revive. Almirage again. Oh, Salmon Grade of Fire. That's nice. Shadow Hammerer. Alright, let's see. Almost done with this box. Okay, commission. I'm glad Volcano's got some more support. Fire. Rimfire. Fire. Rocket. Queen. Burning Draw. Alright, 3 more packs left. Lead Yoke, Battle Boxer, Uppercutter. Fire Ejection. Alright, so Great Shell, Almirage, Spinny, and Circle. Alright guys, that's it for that box. Hope you guys see you later.